What is up, everybody? Dallas here. We are back with another YouTube video today. Right here, I have the all-new Grandfalls pressure washer Ultra Flow by Giraffe Tools. This pressure washer is made for best of both worlds. You can mount it on your wall, you can mount it on a cart, or you can just have it with you stationary. It's got a max GPM of 2.6 with a 1,000-hour service life. And the best part about this, there is a 50-foot flexible hose that retracts. Isn't that awesome? No more getting your hose dangled up, or losing it. It retracts to itself. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy, take a look at it, see what kind of goodies we get, and then show you guys how easy it is to install it and wherever you wanna use it. First things first, let's cut this open. All right, you got your mounting hardware, some attachments, a manual, more mounting hardware, your pressure washer gun. There you have it. You got some connectors, and here it is. You also have this nice soap bottle for your auto detailing. And that's pretty much it. First class, this thing is beautiful, nicely packaged. Everything's safe and secured. All right, just to recap, we got a hose connector to connect your garden hose. We have this auto detailing foam gun. We have a holder for your pressure washer nozzle. And then here is your bracket just to have this mounted on the wall if you wanted to do so. And then again, your owner's manual. And then again, you have your pressure washer gun. And then your attachments and different types of nozzles are attached to the pressure washer itself. All right, so we got our pressure washer mounted to our wall. We have all the designated accessories connected to our pressure washer. Soap gun, as you see here. We're gonna go ahead and connect this end with water, and then we're gonna go ahead and test this thing out. We got our pressure washer gun, our water hose connected. Before I turn it on, I'm going to show you how this retractable hose works and then see how far we can go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and unhook our gun. Start pulling. What's great about this is if you are done and you want to stop and don't want it to retract, you just pull and it'll lock up just like that, as you can see. And if I want to keep using it, just pull again and then stop, and then there you have it. Let's see how far 50 feet really is. Can I make it to my neighbor's house? Oh, I guess I'm capped out right here. So this is 50 feet, and that's how far it can retract. And then it's simple to bring it back. Just pull slightly and start walking it backwards. And then it'll auto retract back into its spool. Just as so. I said before, there are 3 different nozzles, and there is a 4th one. It is a turbo nozzle, but these are the other three different ones. The orange one is a 15 degree, the white is 40, and then I believe the green one is 25 degrees. And again, the difference between these is that the number that it says on there is just the different angle of what the water sprays out of these tips for your pressure washer. Then we do have our turbo nozzle, and this nozzle isn't meant to be used on cars. It's mostly used for cleaning purposes, such as on your house, recreational use. For rinsing my car, I like to use the white nozzle because it is a 40-degree angle, so the water comes out at 40 degrees, so it's a little wider when it does spray. Right now that our car is all rinsed off, again with our 40-degree angle tip, we did go ahead and put some soap in the soap cannon that Giraffe Tools was nice to include in their pressure washers. So we have our soap filled up. As you can see, you can have a wider spread on your nozzle tip for spray, and that's just to get more coverage for soap or whatever object you are spraying or using this for. And then again, if you wanted more sud or less sud or more water or less water, you just turn this knob from the top. There is a plus and minus sign on there. And then simply, if you are done or want to refill it, simply twist it off and then put whatever soap you are going to use for this. There you go. We're going to go ahead and attach this to our wand and go from there. All right, simply to add your soap cannon to your wand, you pull that back, pop that back in, and there you go. All right, I got my soap cannon adjusted. We're going to go ahead and spray our car with soap. And right off the bat, that is a lot of suds. It does really depend also as well of how much soap to water concentration you do add to your soap cannon. So if you want more soap, then obviously you do put more soap into your bottle. And yeah, so used to what your liking is. We're gonna go ahead and wash our car, and then after we're gonna go ahead and rinse the car. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse part of our car with our 25-degree tip. We're going to show you what it looks like. As you can see right here, it is a lot more narrow than the white tip that we did use. Again, it only sprays out at 25 degrees. We're going to go ahead and switch it to our 15 degrees. As you do see, there is a little more difference, of course, spraying that out of the orange nozzle. And then we're going to go ahead and use our 40. This is my most favorite because it does have more coverage. You do notice that with more coverage does come less water coming out. So when we had the 25, it was a lot more higher centered pressure. The 15 degrees as well. And then when we had the 40, there wasn't much pressure going straight out onto the vehicle. And that is a little better because it is a lot softer on your car's paint. So when you have a more narrow spray tip, it might damage the paint. So that's just another reason why I do use the 40-degree tip. All right, so now that our car is washed, we're gonna go ahead and bring our Ultra Flow pressure washer outside of our garage, and just to show you how real versatile it really is. When you're not using this pressure washer to detail your car, you can also use this for home projects or just anywhere that you can think of that is dirty. So and that's where that turbo nozzle comes in. So we're gonna go ahead and look for a dirty spot, see how well we can clean it. We got our turbo nozzle on, and we're gonna see how well this does with cleaning our fence. As you see, now that looks like a brand new fence again. Well, there you have it. We have an outline of exactly where we were using that turbo nozzle on our Grandfalls Ultra Flow pressure washer. This was not clean. This is clean. And there you go. That's the difference. Alrighty, folks, there you have it. That was the overview of our new pressure washer by Giraffe Tools. Again, that was the Grandfalls Ultra Flow pressure washer. Again, 2.6 GPM and 1,000 service hours. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I will leave the link to this product down below as well. See you guys in the next one.